Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside Twitter. Sign and then navigate directly to the profile whose retweets you want to stop. Once there, find the three-dot menu next to the follow button. On mobile it's top right, on web it's near the header. Tap it to reveal account actions. This is the first actionable move because Twitter doesn't offer a single global switch. You work per account. Make sure you're on the correct profile, then proceed to the next menu option to manage their retweets. Now select Disable Retweets or turn off retweets from the Profile Actions list. On some clients, it's labeled Hide Retweets. You'll see a confirmation. Accept it. Once done, tweets from that account will remain, but their retweets won't appear in your timeline. Make sure to repeat this on each account you follow whose retweets you want blocked. Also check if you're using multiple devices. Changes sync via your account, but double-check web versus app to ensure finish by scanning your timeline to confirm retweets from that account are gone. This is your quick verification. If you still see retweets, log out and back in or clear the app cache. Sometimes a sync delay or stale cache causes display issues. If that fails, go back to the profile and retoggle the retweet setting, then wait a few minutes. And if retweets persist across multiple accounts, contact Twitter support. Explain which accounts and include screenshots to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.